Today, we're talking about a cosmic concept you may have heard of called dimension. What does it mean when people talk about dimension? Is it a real thing? And should you know about it? So stay tuned. So, to answer the easiest question first, yes, it is a real thing. No, you don't really need to know about it, but I will describe a little bit about what it is and clarify some things that you may have heard that are not accurate. So, a dimension is another plane of existence where there are other universes. There are none in our dimension other than the one that we're in. There's one universe in this dimension, and it's where Earth is. And by the way, Earth is the only planet in this entire universe that has life on it. There are other dimensions with other universes in them. They're different planes of existence, and we can't get there from here. So, do you need to know about them? Not really. Is it a cool concept? Yes. A lot of people who have heard things about this concept of a new Earth have been told or taught that when they evolve, they'll go to another dimension. The Earth will split and there'll be a new Earth in another dimension. And this concept is false. It's fake news. I don't believe anyone who's ever repeated this is doing it intentionally to mislead anyone. I think that the information that's been channeled through over the decades has just been misunderstood or misconstrued. In case you're curious, every dimension has a planet kind of similar to Earth that hosts humanoid life, and every universe just has one. I understand that's quite enough for divinity to deal with per universe, just one planet with life on it and humanoid population. Let me know if you have other questions about this, and I'll try and answer them on a future video.